Hello everyone. So I can explain this video as my project as a swiggy.com. So I can start my video, right? This time it can be show like as a page. This is a two type given the functionality. First is a login page and second is a sign up page. So here we can be two type of the user given the first is a admin panel and second is a use customer panel. So two type of the user can be given. First is a admin and second is a user, right? Here we can be add the like a phone number and given the some using the jQuery, given the some focus and blur event. So here validation is also applied. So first we can be create as a admin panel. Go to admin panel. First we can be create as a admin user, right? So I can add the admin number, admin name, admin email id and admin password, right? This time we can be show like as a page. This page is the also given the all the responsive, and this page we can be show like a footer, header and article. So yeah, I can show like how can we show this page is a responsive like mobile view. So this is the ipad view. So ipad view is a look like this, right? And I can show how can we show as a mobile phone. So mobile page you can be show like this, right? This is the swiggy.com icon, and here we can be show as a like art article and like the footer, right? So we can be go to our laptop page. We can be try to lots of cities. Here we can be real the swiggy.com. Here we can be add the lots of city, more than the 100 cities. So I can we can add the one by one cities like using the code. So code is a lots of code we can be write the all the cities. So I can create is a one the city module, and you can be as a admin is a non technical person is can be add the lots of cities is a very easy. Only for add the city name and add the more add the dynamic buttons. So non technical person we can be also add the like the more than cities as a admin, right? So and using the dynamic code. So code is a not a using the like a reusable, and this code returns means code uh, variancy is a very small, right? So we can be show how can we add the all the CRUD operation apply like the cities. How can we add, remove and update? So we can be show like as a admin panel. So we can be go to as a admin login, right? So here we can be choose as a admin and enter the admin mobile number, admin. Here we can be go to admin panel, right? So first we can be show as a use all the user module. So here we can be show like the all the table data in the all the user, how many type of the user, id of the user, type of the user, user or admin, name of the user, email id and user mobile number also given, right? So this is the admin panel and user like the admin module. So we can be add the one user here. So choose how many admin and user. So I can be create a one type of user module. Here name as a Neeraj, and here the mobile number is given like this, right? Enter the email id, enter the password and submit. So new user is a successfully like id is a 4. We can be delete also apply, and we can be create as a update module. So here we can be add like the mobile number you can be change and like and submit. So mobile number is also submitted here, like see the data is also updated. So second module you can be show like as a ct module. So sometimes before we can be talk about how to ct we can be add. This is the city module. Here we can be show like one type of button is a city. Here the two type of the action can be one delete and second is update. So here we can be to this time is a 14 cities can be updated, and so we can be add the more than one city. City name is Ahmedabad. So I can choose as a admin module. Admin module is a submitted, and I can be choose as a add as a Ahmedabad, right? So new city can be add the automatically show like this. So Ahmedabad is a enter the like the new city as a 15, right? So I can delete the Surat is a how could look like the delete module. So Surat is automatically deleted. So we can be here we can do change is automatically show like as a main page. So we can be look like this automatically, right? And I hope we can be create a one duplicate page, and we can be go to one of type of the user panel also. So we can be go as a main page, and here we can be as a given the functionality also duplicate create a one page. Here we can be logout functionality. So admin module is a admin is a logout, right? And here we can be as a login as a user. So enter the mobile number as a user, name as a user. So user can be go to as a user page. This is the user page, and this the given the some modules. This the all the restaurants, right? And here we can be add the like the footer, and also we can be add the one city like Ahmedabad, right? So we can be add the one new city like a new Bombay, new Mumbai, right? So data is a successfully we can be show here, and he can be only for refresh here. So look like this Mumbai automatically add, right? Here we can be show like a type of the city is a demo. So we can be update this city like demo here, demo 123 and submit. So demo 123 data is updated, and we can be only for refresh here. So demo 123 is a show like on super this, right? This is the one type of the city module. So we can be add the dynamic using the lots of cities, and this is the non-technical person as a admin. It is also add to one using the dynamic buttons, right? So very easy for to non-technical person also we can be uh, create and add using the city modules. Here we can be show like the lots of the restaurant modules. Here we can be show like the look like good, and this we can be not any all the others not any dynamic. This all the restaurant we can be add the like the dynamic. This the not the write the any lots of code. So how to add the is all the restaurant as a dynamic, we can be write only for one time code, and the using the lots of code like the dynamically, right? So admin can be add the new restaurant. So we can be go to admin restaurant module. Here we can be add the all the data of the restaurant, and restaurant name, id, restaurant cities, and how to offer we can be here like this, what the offer can be apply like this, right? So here we can be add the like the new restaurant. So we can be choose as a city. First we can be choose as a city. It is city already can be apply and add automatically. So admin is only for choose not the right here the city. So I can choose as a new Pune, enter my restaurant as a Malhar, new Malhar, right? My category what can be apply, I can be choose as a North Indian and Chinese. 2% of the price is that choose as a 300. I can be choose like the some offers. So I can choose an is a 199 more than about 30%, and second is a free delivery. So I can be choose my the restaurant image. So I can choose like the dosa. So I can choose like this image, right? And open. So submit my button, successfully show here data entry already like this, right? So I can be refresh only for here, and my the new restaurant is add the automatically one by one left side. And here we can be try to good effective using the hover effect. Here the same pizza is not look like this, so I can be remove the same pizza, right? And here we can be update, so automatically our the one type the new mallar is automatically redirect the left side, right? Here we can be add the one the product module, so choose like the Shakti restaurant. So here we can be Lapinos. I click the here, so here we can be show like products also look like this, right? So I can be create this the module also apply like this, and samosas, aloo tikkis, Chinese look like the products also. I hope you can be good the very enjoy, and I can be try to my best for the create a one type of some modules the real project of the swiggy.com. Thank you for watching the video.